Hi children, welcome to our class 5, subject science, chapter 3, the nervous system. Today we are going to learn, the topic is voluntary actions and involuntary actions in our nervous system. There are two types of actions are there in the nervous system. Voluntary actions. Actions performed by an individual with his or her own will are known as voluntary actions. Voluntary actions are that are under our conscious, like smiling or turning a page in your book, reading, writing, eating, etc. These are all the actions of voluntary. Voluntary actions are controlled by the cerebrum. For example, thinking, writing, running, etc. Cerebellum controls our body balance. And medulla oblongata or brainstem controls the involuntary actions like heartbeat, breathing, yawning, sneezing, etc. For example, lifting a book is an example of voluntary action. Turning off an electrical switch, riding a bicycle are all voluntary actions which are under our control. Another type of action is involuntary actions. Actions that occur without the conscious will of individual are known as involuntary actions. The part of the nervous system that controls involuntary actions. Involuntary actions are of two types, automatic and reflex actions. Already we discussed actions are two types, voluntary and involuntary actions. Actions which are controlled by our own will is called voluntary actions. Actions which are controlled not owned by our will called involuntary actions. Voluntary actions examples are walking, running, etc. Involuntary actions are two types, automatic and reflex actions. Examples of automatic actions are heartbeat, breathing, etc. Reflex actions, immediate actions, spontaneous actions. Automatic actions. What are the automatic actions? Beating of heart, breathing, passing urine, passing of blood, blinking eyes, etc. Automatic actions performed by an individual without his or her conscious the thoughts are called automatic actions. They are not under our control. They are the automatic actions. Regular beating of our heartbeat is a good example of automatic action. What are reflex actions? You can observe here, his arm muscles contract, lifting the person's finger away from the hot object. The spontaneous, automatic, sudden mechanical response without the will of an individual in response to a stimulus are called reflex actions. Involuntary response to a stimulus. If you touch an hot object, without thinking we can pulling away of hand on touching a very hot or very cold thing. This is the one of the example of reflex action. Closing of eyes when something enters them are the examples of reflex actions. Thank you, my dear children.